Hi folks, Rich Pasini from rjpasini.com. I'm doing a little intro video here. I'm selling some software and I just want to go over it really quick with you. I don't want to get too involved in it because I know sometimes I get really into these things. But anyway, the software that I'm talking about right now is the Sony Vegas Movie Studio and the DVD Architect Studio. These come together, it comes as a set. Okay, they will go together, and you do get the software that goes with it, as you can see here, and this one here. This one here is the application software. It says the Sony Vegas Movie Studio CD, and this one here is 1001 sound effects that I guess they include with it. Even though you see two of these books, you notice you only got the one DVD there, the CD. I mean, that's for the application itself. This here, however, this CD covers both of these. Okay, it covers both of the applications in here. So you will have an application for each one of these here. If you are the lucky buyer and you do get it, and you don't see a product ID code in there, that's what I'm going to go over right now with it. When you open the first page up, it's right there, folks. See it right up there? If the webcam will zoom in there. There it is, see? Alright, that's what you got. So don't panic, and think, oh no, I bought this software and I ain't going to be able to install it. And you'll be able to, believe me. And the same thing with this one here, the Sony Vegas Movie Studio plus DVD. Open the first page. There it is, right on top. Okay, you see it says the serial number for product registration. Okay, these are mine. I had these here for a while and I upgraded recently, in case you're wondering why I'm letting these go. They're in good condition. They're very clean books, very good. All right, no stains on them or wear marks on them. They're very good condition, like new condition, to be honest with you. And the same thing with the CDs. The CDs here. The reason why I'm updating, I'm selling these here, is I updated to a program called, you might have heard of it if you haven't. It's called CyberLink Power Director. It's a little more newer for my system. It's more user friendly, so to speak. So I could work with that a little easier than this. If you're gonna buy these, this software, please take into note, take this into consideration here. Take notice, I should say. What I want to say is that the operating system is on page 5 here, the system requirements, and it tells you right here, if you can see it. I think it's also going to be in the description on eBay. You can see over here it says Microsoft Windows 2000. If you can, I'm sorry, this thing is really going crazy. It's 2000 XP Professional and XP Home. Okay. It requires an 800 megahertz processor or 2.8 gigahertz recommended for HDV, 200 megabyte hard drive, 200 megabyte hard disk space for program installation, 600 megabyte hard disk space, optional for Sony Sound Series loops and samples. Okay, well, it's on there. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but it comes in there. That's why I said read the system requirements prior to making any placing any bids on this item. What's kind of funny is they put different system requirements, a little different. For example, this one here, like I said, I just went over the one I just went over with you. It says Microsoft Windows 2000 XP and so on and so forth. On this one here, that's for the Vegas. They have one on this one. Bear with me for 1 second, folks. This one here is well, it's basically the same thing, but I guess, well, it's a different application, but I'm just saying it's the same thing, but they put separate requirements here, system requirements. This one says Microsoft Windows X 2000 XP Home or XP Professional, 800 megahertz processor, 60 megabyte hard drive disk space for program installation, 256K RAM. So just read both of the installation, the system requirements for this here. If your computer's got a nice big hard drive, terabyte or 50 gigabytes, whatever, or 2 gig, whatever, I would think this would be able to handle it. as far as because it's all done in megabytes. But just read the system, system requirements on both of them to make sure your system can handle it. I'd hate to have you buy it. You go through it, you buy this thing, and then you say later on, "Geez, my system can't handle it. I don't have the right operating system." This is not for a Mac. I don't see anything in the system requirements for Macintosh here. So from what I see here, I don't see anything about Mac. So that's why I put in the description for Windows platform. That's why I put there for this. So you're going to be getting that with it, all right? And you get these little sheets that come with it as well, all right? But again, the system product ID codes are in the books, or in these manuals here. Okay, the other thing I bought a while back when I first got my Sony digital video camera. I needed some software to, upload videos. This was mine as well. I think back in the day, I think I paid $79 for this back in the day. All right, you get the user manual. This is a Screen Blast Movie Studio. As you can see, it's the Sony digital pictures up there, or Sony Pictures, right? Yeah, Sony Pictures Digital, whatever. And you get the disc with it as well. On this one here, the product ID is over here on the case here, the jewel case. So it's right there, okay? And that's what you got. The DVD, the CD is very good condition, very clean, as you can see. Nice and clean here. The other ones are like that too, pretty clean too. Okay, and that's basically what you get. And the other thing you get with, well, this is not going to do you any good, but I'm going to throw it in anyway. I guess it's the product registration. I don't know if you could even use this here or send it in. But here you get like a little keyboard shortcuts for Music Studio. No, for the movie studio. Right, you get the little keyboard shortcuts. And then when you flip it over this way here, you get some more information. Whoops, sorry folks. You get a little more information here about the software itself. And then you have one here for Music Studio, which I don't know. I guess it's incorporated in this program. I never really used it. I was always interested in Movie Studio. But that's what you got going on with that. This book is very good, clean condition as well. Very good, clean book. No messed up pages. I always took care of my stuff. This is my personal items here. I always take care of my stuff. I make sure when I'm working with catalogs or booklets or whatever, papers, I make sure I don't have any drinks to spill on them. So that's the way I am with my stuff. I'm very particular when it comes to booklets and CDs and all that other stuff. And then the last thing I have over here is just a user guide. It's not software, so please don't think the software comes with it. It's I had this book laying around. I picked it up a while back. And it just says over here, Corel Paint Shop Pro X User Guide. So if you need a book, if you have Corel Paint Shop Pro X, and let's just say you have the CD, which I know a couple of friends of mine used to have just the CDs and never had the booklets or the user guide. In this particular case, you have it. If you're interested in this here, this too will be up on eBay as well. So that's basically all I want to cover with this on this part of this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is rjpasini from rjpasini.com. I do selling on eBay and plus my own website, which actually attaches to eBay. It kind of like hyperlinks there. I do YouTube. The YouTube videos I do are for the potential buyers. I do sneak peek videos. I do demo videos and intro videos. Plus, I cover other topics outside of just eBay topics. I carry a lot of things. I cover topics on shipping, how to make custom boxes, But anyway, if you're new to the channel and you want to subscribe to it and you like what I do with this channel, that'd be great. Please subscribe. If you like what I do with the information on these videos, what I share with you guys, if you want to give it a thumbs up, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine as well. That's basically all I wanted to talk about, is just this, quick little brief video on the software I'm getting rid of. And if you have any questions, please email me at rjpasini@verizon.net, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks again for stopping by, and I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my channel and my auctions. Have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.